Hey, it's Stephanie. I'm here to talk to you about another data story. Data story number 3 is about trend. Now, the whole idea behind data stories is that people are naturally very good at recognizing patterns that are all around us in our environment, which makes us inherently good graph readers, particularly if the graphs are well designed. When we see these kinds of patterns, it taps into some of the questions that we walk around with all the time about the world in general, but in our particular context about like organizational performance, on business metrics and things like that. So if we can design graphs that look good, that tap into the natural questions people have and our natural ability to see patterns in the first place, well, that's where we get these data stories. So data story number 3, one of those common things that people walk around looking for and asking about are trends. Trends build into our natural inclination to see change in direction. We're pretty good at noticing changes in direction. It's one of these pre-attentive attributes that we all just kind of notice. So line charts are the most common way that we communicate changes in trend, because the lines increase or the lines decrease kind of speaks to our ability to see those changes in direction. We're so good at noticing trends in line graphs that it works against us when going down is a good thing. Think about the number of COVID cases in your community. In this case, a decrease is good, but we're so conditioned to see increases as good and decreases as bad that it can be kind of counterintuitive, and we have to work a little harder to get people to recognize that down is actually a good thing. So my tip for you in this case is to change your chart type. Don't use a line graph anymore. Think of another chart type you could use that will help disrupt that status quo.